Hi, Albert here with Mainland Cycle Center. Today I want to show you a 2017 Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT. This is the EPS Camo. And this one's got some nice upgrades on it. We've outfitted this one. We started with a bracket lift kit from GR Manufacturing. We use both the GR and High Lifter lift kits, but I don't have an issue with either one. They both work really, really well. No issues at all. So lift kit. And then we upgraded the wheels and tires. So this has a set of the ITP Hurricane wheels, 14-inch diameter. And then we did a set of 28-inch, the ITP Blackwater Evolution tires. Really nice, all-terrain, 8-ply tire. Really does well on this machine. So you get about 4 inches total lift between the lift kit and the wheels and tires. Of course, the Mule Pros are fully independent suspension. Got a 2-inch receiver hitch on the back. Disc brakes, front and rear on these. Stainless steel muffler. Fold flat tailgate on these. So really nice fold flat tailgate. And I just love this new hinge style. It's the easiest tailgate latch system that we've had yet on our Kawasaki Mules. And then so we did the lift kit, the wheels and tires, and then we added a one-piece aluminum roof. So this is 1/8-inch aluminum. It's sprayed with a bed liner type material, so nice heavy duty. So you can see it's got a little rain channel down the side. It's got some ribs, so some ribs in there to adjust. And the nice thing about having this heavy duty aluminum top is that it'll last a lifetime, and then also you could stand on it, so to fill feeders or something like that. A lot of folks won't be able to stand on the roof. This one's heavy enough to certainly do that. And then it's also sturdy enough that if you want to mount light bars, stereos, things like that too, you certainly can do that. So on this one we've mounted a Rigid Industries 50-inch Radiance LED light bar, and we're really liking this new Radiance line from Rigid. Very economically priced, great quality, and they also have a backlight on them, which is kind of cool, a lot of fun. And so these, we chose the red backlight on them, and then of course the light bar lights up with white light, but kind of cool to have the red backlight. Then we also did a set of rear lights on them, so these are the pods from Radiance, from Rigid, the Radiance pods, and they're also red backlit. We've got one of those on each corner in the back. But those lights are super bright and just really do a great job. We really like them a lot. And then on this one we also did some stereo. So this one has the new Bluetooth soundbar that we've been using from Bazooka. It's a 24-inch long, 8-speaker Bluetooth soundbar, and works really well. It comes with a remote control, so you got a little remote there. And then one of the things it's got is it's got built-in lighting. So you can turn that on, and then it's got multiple colors, and so you can go through those colors. There, you can make it flash. So if I'm pushing the button to make it change colors, just to show you all the colors right there. But and then it's also got an LED strip on the back. So it really does two things: give you a little bit of interior light inside the machine, plus some tunes. And those sell for about $3.99 is what we've been selling those for. And like I said, we're really liking those a lot. They've been very popular. And let's turn that off. There we go. But of course the Mule Pros, what really makes the Mule Pros great, if you're used to the older style mules, super smooth ride, fully independent suspension, very, very smooth ride. If you haven't ridden in one of these, I would urge you to come and take a ride in one of these Mule Pros. They really, really ride great. So you get dual row, 2 rows of seating, 6-passenger in this, you know, pretty short wheelbase, so much shorter than a lot of our competition for the wheelbase. You do sacrifice a little bit of bed, but you still got a really nice bed size even in this 6-passenger mode. But the cool thing about these is you can very easily, you've got a latch on each side, and undo this latch and fold this seat up, and then I'll give that a little pop. So literally just that easily you can go from a single bench with a short bed to a double bench with a short bed to a single bench with a long bed. and just a really, really great feature. So just like that, I've got a long bed with 1,000 pounds of carrying capacity in that bed. It's got a steel floor, diamond plate steel floor. You've got these little ridges there on the side, these little slots where you can put a divider in here, a cargo divider. But we just love that a lot. Like I said, 6-passenger seat. I love the doors on these, really easy open doors. A lot of our competitors are still doing nets and things, and these are so much easier than the nets. They're just not a problem at all. Very easy to open and close, just a little push like that and the door's closed. The latches are fantastic. So really, really great there. Let's see what else. Tilt steering wheel. This has an 812cc 3-cylinder motor, liquid cooled, fuel injected. These are equipped with power steering. Got a locking and unlocking rear differential, selectable 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. This is a headlight switch, low and high beam for your outer headlights, and then for the LEDs on the front. And then this is one that we've added for the LED light bar on the front. We've got one for the LED light bar on the rear, and we've got one for the backlights on the LED light bars. And they're still blank to install an additional switch there. Excuse me. Automatic transmission. There's your shifter, low, high, neutral, and reverse in the transmission. There's your ignition switch. A little cubby hole right there. 2 12-volt power outlets in the dash. There's also 2 more in the back seat area, and then you've got a glove box over there. And there's some drink holders here on the corner. But I don't know if you can hear this thing running, but it really runs smooth, nice and quiet. Just purrs. We love this motor. Really, really has done well. Digital instrumentation, speedometer, fuel gauge, clock, odometer, all that good stuff that you come to expect. But these are really great machines. 3-year warranty standard on the Kawasaki Mule Pros. And so again, if you haven't looked at a Mule Pro and you're looking for a side-by-side, get down to your Kawasaki dealer, come and see us in our area, and take a test drive on this Kawasaki Mule Pro. The FX or the FXT. FXs are going to be single bench models. FXTs are going to have this dual bench where you can switch back and forth. But really, really great machines, and I promise you if you'll take a ride in it, you'll absolutely love it. Alright, well that's a look at this 2017 Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT EPS and Camo with the